Hey everyone, K4. You know how on rainy days there's really nothing you can really do and you're really out of ideas? Well, I'm here to give you a couple ideas to do. One thing you could do that I like to do is sit by a window and watch the rain and lightning. Another thing you could do is a perfect day to binge watch Netflix TV shows. In my case, I like Chowder. But anyway, let's go watch some Netflix. Another thing you could do is get some board games out. If you're all alone, you can play some solitaire, there's a Yahtzee. You could play the board game by yourself. It just won't be as much fun. The last idea I have for you today is, when it's done raining, go out and enjoy the puddles. It's fun to go splash around in them. That's it for this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe. I will be making a new video every Friday. Until then, see you later.